Hey traders, so this is sort of a meat trade update here as I'm still holding on to my Aussie Yen short. If you have not watched my latest video, I will suggest you go watch it. It's this one where I talked about I have a 6.4k position running on Aussie Yen and also a 220k trade on dollar Swiss. I will probably share my 220k position after it's been closed, as I've posted me securing 50k on one of my accounts. Another main account, which is double the size, is still holding. But this video, let's focus back on this one. So if you look at my MT4 here, same thing at IC Markets Live, same trade, same entry, everything's the same. So I'm still holding on the position, and in fact, I've scaled into the position because I realized there's a lot of opportunity. So if you refer back to this video, I actually had a static TP initially at around 99.90 or 95 level. But after seeing such a strong sell-off earlier, around early London session, I decided to remove my TP order. Again, you can only remove your TP based on rule, based on assessment. You cannot ever tweak your TP target based on greed. I removed the TP because I realized market is offering a lot more bearish momentum than I expected. So I was happy to just remove it, and somehow on the pullback earlier, I gave back some profit. But this trade was supposed to be a quick trade. Somehow market's giving me a lot more signal and also confirmation that I wanted. I'm happy to embrace a bit of risk and embrace that I might be giving back some profits. At the peak, I was up about 20k. Right now, if you look at my P&L, I'm only up about $12,000. And again, you cannot really look at this and say, hey, how can you give back 50% of your profit? Everyone's in different league. Most of my trade, I risk a minimum of $10,000 to $15,000. So this is really not a big deal. So I'm very used to seeing 5 figures swing here and there. So if this trade turns out hitting my TP, so my target right now, instead of playing very safe at the minor support, I'm aiming for a daily key support zone after seeing the strong momentum to the downside earlier. I will be shifting my target to this major support level at 99.50. So if you look at my TP here, I've shifted all of my TP to 99.5 to 1. So right now, I'm expecting Aussie Yen to be revisiting the major support level at 99.5 after seeing how we are forming first thing the right side of the V, a clean BNR entry here, strong momentum breaking below 100.18. I have more than enough reason to believe that we are going to drop a lot further. So again, if this trade turns out hitting my TP, it's probably going to be a 30 to 40k trade. But anyway, P&L does not matter. The next video that I post will be me closing the position. So let's see if I close it for $30,000 or $40,000, or if I close it for a small $6,000 to $8,000. That would mean that I got trailed out here at the high, at the previous swing high. If this thing goes a lot lower, then yeah, I'll keep all of you updated. So see you all in part 2. Hey traders, so I actually went ahead and closed all of my positions. So P&L of the day is about 22k, shorting Aussie Yen. So let me show you all the exact position. So if you look at my MT5 here, I've shorted one at the top, one in the middle. Both these are just scaled in, closed it all the way here. Very unfortunately, I really wanted to hold the position a little bit longer, but I don't really want to hold it over the weekend. As if you look at my trading view, market has been a little bit crazy, especially on the yen pairs. If you look at the 4-hour chart, this is on this massive gap here was on 6th of October. So this Monday, price actually gapped up for close to 100 pips. So when I see large gap like this, it just doesn't give me the confidence to hold it over the weekend because I'm concerned of the risk, as I'm risking quite a significant amount per trade, so I don't think it's worth it. So I just went and closed all of my positions for about 22k, and yeah, that's pretty much it for the update on this Aussie trade. I hope you all learned something new here. If you like it, if you like this series, if you like me recording my live account from head to toe, opening the position to managing to closing the position, please like, share, and subscribe, and share it with fellow traders who you think they are legit, they are serious in learning real trading, and let me know in the comment section below if you really enjoy this kind of really natural, really transparent kind of sharing. So that's it. Talk to you all in the next video. Bye bye.